I'm going to quickly show you how to run Python in Visual Studio Code. To do this, we need to do two things: install Python and set up VS Code for Python. First, let's download and install Python. Search up Python on any web browser. Then click on the official website, which should be python.org. Now hover the mouse over Downloads. Then under Download for Windows, click on the button with the Python version mentioned on it. Now the installer will start downloading. Once it's done downloading, open it. Check both of these options in the installer, and then click on Install Now. Now wait for Python to install. Once it's done, click on Close. Now if we open up CMD and type Python space hyphen version, we would see that the latest version of Python is now installed on our PC. Now let's set up VS Code for Python programming. Click on this button to open up the Extensions tab. If Python by Microsoft is already listed here, click on Install. If not, use this search bar to search for Python and install it. Next, search up Code Runner and install it. This extension will let us quickly run our code instead of running it through the terminal. Now we can start coding our Python program. To create a new file, click on File, Open Folder. Then select the folder where you want to save your files. Now that folder will be opened up in VS Code. You can click on this icon here to create a new file. If you are making a file to code Python in it, make sure to end it with .py to make it a Python file. Now you can start coding with Python in VS Code. Thanks to that extension we installed earlier, we can simply press this play button to run our code.